I don't know what the title of this is gonna be, but I know this is gonna be like a pre-birthday series, obviously, because I'm actually doing something for my birthday, not in the country. I'm actually traveling for my birthday. I'm super freaking excited. It's your favoriteist and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I don't remember where it was that I last left off with this whole planning my birthday trip thing, but yesterday was my birthday and obviously I am not on vacation, so that happened. So basically what happened was, okay, let me just quickly try to like explanation this. I started planning this at the end of October basically, right? Went to my travel agent. I hope I had that footage and I included it. If I didn't, went to my travel agent. The original place that I was supposed to go, figured out like which hotel it was and everything that I wanted to go, sent out the details to everybody who wanted to participate, gave everybody the information and the payment plan. Boom. First payment day came. I think 3 people, including myself, gave deposits, right? All right, so that was that. And at that point, the deposit should have been made and half of the amount should have been paid, right? At that point in the group, I had about 10 people, okay? So at that point, my niece was like, one of my nieces was like, she doesn't get her schedule from work. She's a flight attendant, so she didn't get her schedule from work. So she wasn't exactly sure like what blackout days she would have in terms of when she would be available to come, if she would be available to come or whatever. So she told me to take her out just for now and then she'll update me later on when she gets whatever. Appreciated that. Let me know. Communication. I love that. Okay? Thank you. So after that, what happened? So everybody just started giving me some reasons as to why they can't come. Then we were down to 4 people. Then one of my next friends, for some reason said she can't come. Then we were down to 3, including myself. And my friend, somebody passed away. She was like, oh, I'm gonna have to go to Jamaica. And I was like, this was literally like, I just sent him more money. Like, we're supposed to leave like the following Thursday. And she told me this may be the Tuesday, and we're supposed to leave the next week Thursday, right? So I'm like, girl, call my travel agent. He was like, there's no changes, no refunds. I'm like, okay, so what do I do now if I want to go? He's like, pay the rest of the balance, and it's a group trip, so the prices are all together, right? Okay, all right, cool. So what do I do? Then my another person that's supposed to be coming on the trip, was her babysitter wasn't able to watch the kids anymore, so she was like, well, I'm not gonna be able to go. So I'm just like, okay, crosses, I'm not supposed to be going. So I'm like, you know what, call it a loss, whatever. And I was like mad, closed up, mad, crying, like, oh my god, life is in shambles, I'm not going anywhere. Boom. Tried to figure out how to get our money, can't get our money back. They said that they'll work with us and the most that we can do is change the dates. So we changed the dates. So I am actually going now on next week Sunday. Yeah, I leave next weekend. So here we are, February 1st. Still technically a birthday trip, but I gotta make a lot of changes or whatever. So yeah, I'm here right now because I'm about to place my order on Shein and I need to really figure out what it is that I got right now. So I guess come and look with me. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna set y'all up? Okay, all right, so I gotta see what I have from what I don't have. And yeah, and I feel like I'm overweight already. But baby, we gotta make it work. So I already like went through like most of my bags and stuff in regards to like what I think I would want to bring. But then again, at the time that I was packing, it was more so like, oh my god, it's gonna be my birthday type thing. So I don't even know if I really have that same type of vibe. Because honestly, you guys, I'm over it. Like, I'm over it. But we move. So I need the heat. Y'all, it's freezing in Canada. It's absolutely freezing in Canada. Like, it's freezing in Canada. It's freezing in Canada. I don't know how else to say it, but maybe it's freezing. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going with all of these things, but I feel like they're necessary. It just seems like a never-ending thing. Okay, that's that for that. Okay, hold on, I need to get my book and write this down. Vacation. Y'all, when I'm going on a trip, this is normally what I do. I always like write out like what I have in terms of like everything. If I have like single tops, if I have outfits, like I put them all together. I write down like, all right, I'm gonna show you. Tops, skirts, shorts, sets, dresses, bathing suits, and what else? Purse? I guess, let's see. And PJs. So write out everything, and then as I go, I figure out how much I have so that I know what exactly it is that I need. So 7 days, right? Gonna need a day outfit, you're gonna need a midday, and dinner for sure. Like dinner for sure, plus if we do excursions. So I just need like a 2 active sets or something, and I'll be good. So let go. I'll just quickly show you guys what I got already in here. How much time do I have? Okay. So I have this dress. Hold on, you guys. Let me get my light. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Don't mind the setup. My house is in shambles because it's under renovation, basically. Like, we're getting a lot of new stuff done in our apartment. Like, we got a new kitchen, they're fixing like a lot of the things in the house, so we have to like remove stuff like from things and all of that kind of stuff. They did the bathroom yesterday, so everything basically from the bathroom was in my room, all that kind of stuff, so don't mind it, okay? But yeah, I have this dress. Yeah, you know the look of dress where everybody did I wear. I'm like, do I cut this and thing? But I think I am because it fits kind of weird. So I have this. This is a dress, right? So one dress. I have these shorts. I kind of tried everything on already. I was kind of like, you know, whatever. But I have these shorts. A batijak. Zoe on vacation is different from Zoe in Canada, okay? And then I have this triangle, like, bandeau top that I was thinking I could wear with it. But then I also have this green satin blouse that I got at Target when I went to Florida, and it buttons only in the center and it fluffs out, and the sleeves are kind of like belt. So freaking cute. So I think that's gonna be like a fit, right? I think that's gonna be like a fit, and that could be for like, you know, lunch or breakfast, wake up in the morning, whatever. Some other shots, outfits. Bring in this because I've never worn it, and I think this would be so cute on vacation. So I'm bringing this. This is definitely gonna be a dinner outfit, and I'm gonna need 7 of them. Gonna need 7 of them. So bringing that. do in the day, normally like whatever like I'm in the daytime like kind of leads into like lunch, because like we'll just be out and then we'll just be like, okay, like let's just go get something to eat type thing. So I'm not really too worried so much about like the lunch and stuff. It's mostly the dinner. So let's focus on the 7 dinner outfits, and then I just need like some like fire bits like on the beat, like yeah. So yeah, because I don't really want to buy too much, because I feel like you always buy a whole bunch of stuff and you don't really wear them on vacation. But I would definitely just dress up in them just to take the pictures, but I don't want to do too much, you know what I mean? Like I don't want my pockets to bleed just because, you know what I'm saying? So it's not really right. So okay, all right, so lunch, because a lot of these I'm pretty sure I can wear again. Okay, I have this skirt 2-piece. I wore this already, but I didn't wear it on vacation. I brought some extra shirts just to wear with like whatever shorts and stuff it is that I have on, like these two, like you just throw them on and go to breakfast, go to lunch, do whatever. So I have 3 tanks, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I should have, what was I gonna wear with this? I could have tried this. It's like blinged out. These leopard shorts. I'll have to try this on and see if that looks good. I have a next pair of shorts with the top, and then I have this cow print top that I've been dying to wear, but I just can't find nothing to wear it with. Ooh, I have this. I feel like I want to change the shirt, because I don't feel like this shirt, I'm gonna try it back on again, but I don't feel like the shirt is giving this top justice, and I need for this skirts outfits to be cute. Okay, so I have one fit with a short, like a 4 skirts already, people, 3 blouse, 1 shorts outfit, 1 dress, and 1 pants outfit. I'll wear the one yet when I go, because I never wear it on vacation. That deserves to go on vacation. 2 pants tights, same difference. And that's so far what I have for clothes. So if I wear the 3 tops, that's 3 outfits, plus the skirts, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 outfits already, minus 21. Somebody do the math. 13 plus 13 is 26, so that's too much. So I don't need 13 other things. So I can definitely go back to my Shein cart and delete. I know for sure I want a gold slippers. I need a black slippers and a white. And I should be content. This I have a bathing suit for, which maybe I should go see if I can find a color. So I don't think I have anything. Oh, but I have white. But if I could find something that's like maybe multicolored with a little bit of purple in it, this would be really, really nice. But I know this for sure is going. I need a cute mini. So this for sure is going. And then I have the big one to it, but this is more silver. I'm not really a silver girl, so I'm kind of have to see what else for me and to know whether or not I want that. So I'm gonna really have nothing all black for me. Would I want like pop with nothing or nothing like that? So bring that. This I don't know. Just pulled it out because you know. This for sure I'll go. Hello, staple. Bring in the hat. Bring in the hat for sure. Yeah, oh, so if I'm bringing the hat, although it can work with this too. I kind of like it with this guy. And then I'll just bring like a plain black. The cowl, again, I don't know. You guys, okay. to let y'all know we're going away in T-minus maybe another 12. So 11 days. Bring in my thing bags. The brown, a must. I'm obsessed. The yellow, a must. It's me. This one, vacation. These, which one? Comment down below, let me know which one. I'll bring one and bring all. This, I have some in here, so this can't come out. Oh, I have so much money. Big up Jamaica. Never leave home without it, man. Yeah, and then I have all my baby suits that I'm looking. Bathing suits, I did not have to really do anything. I might buy one or two, which I don't really even think I'm going to. Oh, there's only one that I'm gonna buy because I have certain days planned out, so I need to have the stuff to go along with it. But yeah. Other than that, yeah. So I'm going to shop what I need to shop, and then I guess I'll see you guys the next time. I ordered the stuff that I needed on Amazon that I need to customize, so when that comes in, I guess I will do like a whole thing of like when I customize all the stuff, because I still have everything to customize: the slippers, the bags, the makeup bags. I have to do the boarding passes, the passport covers, the luggage tags, if I still do all of that stuff. The cups. Yeah, guys, there's still a lot that I have to do. And I literally have a week. I have my hair to do. I have so much things to do. I'm doing my hair myself. I did this myself, you guys. I cut my bob. I'm so proud of myself. I botched it, but you can't tell because baby girl saved the day. But yeah, I guess that's it for now. I will see you guys when I see you guys. Look, I'm gonna try my things them, and yeah, get a people that look good time, and yeah. Oh, my slippers are over here too. I don't really have that much, but yeah. And I need to look this weekend, like look and see. I'm missing a pair of shoes and I need to find it, because that shoes is everything to me. That's like one of my most comfortable heels, and I don't think if I go online I'm ever gonna find it again, so I need to go and find it. And a whole bunch of other stuff, my lights, everything. I need to go on a hunt and just, which is okay now because we're kind of doing a cleanup, like a huge cleanup of like everything, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go through everything and hopefully find it, because I don't have to be buying nothing extra that I already have. So you guys, just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know what's going on. I will be going away. We are going on vacation, so get excited. I am sort of getting back excited again. I'm just gonna go work on some stuff pertaining to the trip, and I will see you guys next time, maybe in the next clip, I don't know, but yeah, bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is Saturday, February the 4th. I think it's the 4th. Yeah, it's the 4th of February. I've decided I'm gonna go out tomorrow for my birthday. I'm gonna go to this restaurant downtown and just go eat. It's snowing in Canada and it's freaking cold, so I'm happy I know the weather, because there's no way I'm wearing a dress, there's no way I'm wearing a skirt, there's no way I'm wearing nothing but pants tomorrow. I'm not freezing my ass off. For nobody, I already caught frostbite on one birthday. I'm not doing it again. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know this is what I'm finna do. I am walking to the store right now. Even the walk is treacherous. I had to go back upstairs a while ago. I first came downstairs, I had on my Air Forces, and I was like, I'm slipping and sliding all over the place. This is not gonna work for me. And I had to go upstairs and change it to my boots. Yeah, because do you see the weather? Are you seeing the weather? And it's snowing right now too. So, yeah. Hubby's at work. Bumbo! See there? It's definitely a better thing that I wore my boots because I haven't slid as much as I would have in my Air Forces. But yeah, Joel's at work. So yeah, and I'm not 100% sure if they're gonna allow me to record in the store. So I'm just doing this little insert to let y'all know what's happening so that it doesn't seem weird. And then I will show you guys what I got later on. And then see you guys at dinner tomorrow. And that'll be it for my birthday this year. I seen a thing somewhere where it was like, I think it was TikTok, where it was like, write a letter to your younger self. But I think what I want to start doing on my birthday is like writing a letter. Just recapping the year, the previous year that I've had, all my accomplishments, goals that I set that I didn't yet achieve, whatever goals it is that I have for this upcoming year, and like just personal stuff about my growth and anything else that I may want to write about. And then I'll open it every year and see if there was any difference, whether good or bad. Whether good or bad. You know what I mean? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna write a letter to myself, get a cute little box, keep them in there. And yeah, I think that'll be really, 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 really cute for me. I like little sentimental stuff like that. So yeah. Anyways, guys, me I chat too much. My finger them a bun off. Even though me I wear gloves, finger them cold or fat. So I'm gonna try to find this outfit quick. Go to Michael's because I need to get stuff to finish preparing for my trip, and get some Starbucks and carry my body go home. I might pick up something to cook because I know Joel's gonna come in and he's gonna be hungry. He's probably not gonna want to cook because he doesn't normally work on Saturdays. So he would normally be home relaxing. So I know normally when he gets in from work, he's pretty tired. So I'm gonna see if I can find something to cook really quick so he has something to eat when he gets home. And then figure out what we're gonna make for tomorrow. Even though we won't really eat, but anyways, let's see. So yeah, guys, later. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome back. I don't know which part we in the process. My computer actually stayed on. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, my battery's working on my computer. It was not working before. It's working. But yeah. Let's see. Today's Tuesday, February 7th. Happy New Year. Oh god. We are sorry. Yeah, so 5 days. And yeah, basically down to the what you guys. So much going on. There's just so much going on. Like I woke up to literally the worst message ever, but I'm just I don't know. I'm just praying everything works out. If not, I don't know, but I don't know what it is, but yeah. So anyways, I have a few things that I need to do today. I need to start getting all my customs done. So I wanted to work on whatever it is that I could possibly work on today. The bags came in. I don't know if I told you guys that the bags were a part of the like giveaway gifts, but these were the bags that I was waiting for. The little burlap. Ooh, they're pretty big. Yeah, so the little burlap beach bags. So this is going to basically keep everything, and I'm going to put our names on the bag. So that's basically what I'm here doing right now. So my inspo is this. is keeping in America. So this is my inspo. Do you guys see that? Hold on. Let's bring this closer. So yeah, so that's my inspo for the bag. So I'm just gonna put our names on the side. And I have my vinyl here. And I'm basically just gonna use the same font for everything and just call it a day. So that's what's up. So I already, yesterday I was going through like downloading like a whole bunch of fonts and stuff like that, trying to figure out what it was that I wanted to, like the type of font that it was that I was trying to go for. Like I like fine fonts, like when I do like names and stuff like that. Oh, I wish I could show you guys the cup that I recently did, but I like fine handwritten look type calligraphy type fonts. Like I don't know, I've always loved cursive, but like fine. Nothing wrong with the thick ones. I'll use thick for different stuff, but like when it comes down to like the names and stuff like that, I like fine handwritten calligraphy type fonts. So I haven't been at my desk for a long time, surprisingly. Like I don't know, I needed rest, and I feel like God understood the assignment, and he hasn't really like, I haven't really been that busy, so I haven't really been at my desk too much. And I've cut down my limits, so you know, whatever I was booked out for January, I was booked out for, but it still wasn't as busy as like normally. And I told myself this year I'm not doing too much last minute orders. I'm not really doing that. I'm trying to cut that out. And I'm also increasing my fees, so but let me show you guys the fonts. Oh, did I show you guys my nails? Well, I highly doubt my birthday vlog will be up before this, so let me just show you guys my nails. My girl was like, don't change them. So I think I'm just gonna go and let my nail lady add like some more, maybe like I'll add like a line of color or something. I just feel like it's deady. So I'm probably gonna add like a line of color, and then probably add some more diamonds, like with different, like bigger ones with color to make it really colorful. Like I want colorful, vibrant nails. Yeah, girl. So yeah, let me show you guys quickly the font options. I mean, by the time that I show this to you guys, it's gonna be too late. Y'all ain't gonna be able to help me, but let me just show y'all anyways, okay? Because this is like one of the hardest parts for me, is picking a font for my projects. I hate it. Okay. So this was number 1. Yeah, so this was number 1, right? Loved how the Z looked, but I don't like my Zs like this. But I was like, for this purpose, I guess I would. But I love my Zs like this. This is literally how I write my Zs, whatever I want to say it. So there was that, and then there was this one, which I liked, but it was still too thick for me. You see how these are thinner? That's what I mean. So I wasn't too sold on that. And then this one was cute, but again, it was pretty thick, and it just wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So then I found, hi, thank you. So then I found this one, which now I'm kind of like, girl, I like this, but the Z was boring to me. Love this one. But then I was like, yeah, no, I don't like the Z. Then same thing here. I'm like, I don't really like the Z, but I like how the N and the E connect in this one. But I was like, still don't really too like it. And then I seen this one, and I was like, oh my God, I love it. But then the N and this don't connect. So I think I want to use this one here and then keep these two. So that's basically what I'm doing. Yeah, because it still looks the same, right? Z just needs to be a little bit smaller. Yeah, you can't tell no difference, really. It's basically the same thing. You would never know. Nobody's gonna know. Oh, yeah, the A is different. Oh, man. The A is definitely different. Okay, let's just leave it as is. But comment down below. Let me know which one you guys would pick, 1 through 6. If you guys agree with me, then great. If you don't, oh well. But that's the one that I'm going to go with. I'm really stuck. I'm really freaking stuck. I'm really stuck. What I could do... Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, I fixed it. I just brought the end that was on this font to this one and switched this end to that. So, yeah, I like it better now. So I'm going to go with that one. So let me just delete the rest, and then I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to make these, and I'm going to, yeah, I have the makeup bags to do as well. So let's do that. Okay. So okay, guys, so I'm going to weed everything now. Weeding is basically just removing all of the hold on, because I was just about to say I don't understand. Okay, guys, so this is weeded. How it looks, but yeah, this is weeded. Hello, who can talk to me for this what? Wow, this came out so freaking nice, and it's not even attached yet. This is gonna be so cute when it's okay. I'm gonna weed the rest of them and then we'll come back. Okay. So gotta look and see what the heat settings are. Okay, so glitter, iron on, burlap, okay, 150, 30 seconds. So I need to change my temperature. Alright, guys, so let's make these bags. I need to add a little black here. I don't know why this tore, but yeah, I need to add a little thing there, but it's on. Love it. they need to be cool a little bit. So yeah, they're the bags. Next, so I'm basically gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna put everybody's name on the bags. I should have done this first before filling them. So I think I'll do it 4 inches. Alright guys, on to the makeup bags. Bonnets are done as well. Ow. Oh my God. Okay. So now that basically all of this is done, the only other thing that I have to customize are the shot glasses. These shot glasses and our slippers. I have some of these. These are supposed to be like in my bridesmaids. Like the day of, I was gonna personalize these to get ready. Slippers will be in there. You know, the gift bag, their little gift. And what else do I have? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use these water bottles and call it a day. My color changing glasses that I have over there. I think I'm just gonna use those and put them in the bags and call it a day, because I seen one of my friends already bought a water bottle, so I'm like, yeah, I don't really need to be something with our names or where we're going. Yeah, I also kind of think I want to put where we're going 2023 on the back, just so we always remember, like, this is the bag. So guys, this is where we're at for tonight. Oh my God, I love the bed. Imagine. Anyways, I'm signing off. I will talk to you guys another day, maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know, but 5 more. Hi guys! It's Saturday! We go to wherever we're going tomorrow! Oh my God, I woke up this morning. My girl Nedra, she messaged me. She was like, ping, ping, ping. Like, can I get my details? I want to check in, baby. I just went on same time. Said everybody, we are checked in. You guys don't even got to check in when you guys travel with Z. Okay? Okay, baby? But yeah, checked in. As you guys can see, my hair is partially, y'all, let me tell y'all. Okay, so I started my hair Thursday night, right? I did the perimeter so just so I could go to work and like still look somewhat decent, because you know when you're doing like these, oh, I didn't tell you guys, but I did like this goddess faux lock, curly goddess faux lock type look. Anyways, I wanted the best of both worlds, because I really wanted curly hair, but I also wanted to do locks. And then the locks that I did before, the really long ones, those were way too heavy. but I also think I did them really small in terms of parting. So yeah, I was like, I don't want to be on vacation and be uncomfortable, because like when I say it was heavy, like I mean y'all, I was literally like forcing my head to be up. So I didn't want that, but I also didn't want to worry about like a frontal or a closure or anything like that. So I knew I wanted to go like the braid route. So this worked out to be good, but I'll finish it off with you guys later on when I get back home. I have to go on the road and pick up somewhere here to finish it. And yeah, but I also do have to go on the road and get some stuff. I have a whole list of things that I need to go and get. I can't believe I left my phone upstairs. I left my phone upstairs, so I gotta go back upstairs and go get my phone. Other than that, yeah, just have a couple stuff to get on the road. I gotta go to Sephora. I gotta go get some more clothes, because you guys, my package did not come. So by the time you guys see this, you guys would have known there was an earthquake earlier this week in Turkey. So the second flight that my package was supposed to get on, it was interrupted by the freaking earthquake. And let me tell you guys, I procrastinated ordering my stuff because I specifically kept wanting to do the order when I was at work, but then forgetting what I had in my suitcase, so I needed to do it at home. But then I don't know, then other things just kept coming up and I just kept procrastinating. And so if I had just purchased it maybe a day before, maybe even 2 days before, I would have had my package. But my package did not come, you guys. My package is still in transit. It has not moved from February. I mean, from February 5th, I have not received an update on my package. And normally when I order from Shein, it literally takes like 4 or 5 days for me to get my stuff, whether I express it or if I do standard shipping. It does not take longer than literally a week for it to get to me. So yeah, I've been scrambling this week trying to like find more clothes here, which it's hard because it's winter, so there's not really much summery stuff in stores. And then because Valentine's Day is next week, everything is pink, red, white, pink, red, white, pink, red, white. I don't want to be in pink, red, white. My theme was boho, brights, fringe, and prints. That was the mood board for the trip, you guys. I will still insert the video and show you guys everything in regards to what I sent the girls, but everything has to be changed because yeah, I didn't even do a whole new itinerary, nothing. I'm like, we're just going with vibes and that's that. So we kind of know what excursions and stuff it is that we want to, well, excursion, because where we're going, I don't know if it's because like it's off of the main island or whatever, but baby, them excursions, baby. Sorry, nah, them not trick me, no, my love. So there's one we definitely agreed to that we said yes, we will go and do. Other than that, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, as I said, that's basically it for today. I'm gonna try to carry you guys along with me as much as possible. I gotta go to work, pick up something, go to my travel agent, make a final deposit and figure out some medical insurance thingy that we need to get. And then I have to go and do my nails back, you guys, because some of them started breaking, not literally breaking, but I banged some, so they're lifting, and then some of the gems are coming off as well. So I'm just gonna get a fresh set for the trip. And I need to pick up some lashes, some last minute makeup stuff. I need to go to the dollar store, pick up some last minute stuff. I have some orders that I need to come home and finish making. I need to go return a pair of shoes, a dress, all of them type of stuff in this. So just come along, okay? I'll see you guys at the first stop. Okay, bye. I feel like I'm in my early stages of panic mode. Although like I feel like I'm good for time, I feel like I'm slowly running out of time. Like I don't know what's going on, but anyways, it is, let me tell her no. Later than I think. 9:41. I'm just about to clean my makeup brushes. 9:41. My travel agent said we should be at the airport 3 hours before. That means I gotta be there at 3 o'clock in the morning. My flight leaves at 6:15, y'all. But nonetheless, I am just so excited for this freaking trip. I don't know how else to say it, baby. But I need a break. I need a break from fudge. All my beauty blenders, everything dirty. Shit, and I forgot the freaking soap. Y'all, it's a mess. I have a car. However, you know, I'm gonna have to use body wash. makeup wipes. Hopefully the girls do. But I freaking have a car, but my building, when it comes down to okay, I need un momento, por favor. Gotta soak these babies. Woo! Body wash is working perfectly fine. Just gonna add a little of that. Shit, I need body wash, don't I? So while those soak, I have my little handheld cleaner thingy here. As you can see, she has been used. But I feel like I'm missing brushes. Hold on. I feel like I'm missing brushes. I can't find. I know my house has way more makeup brushes than just these. The heck? But in my case, that's not bad. Easier for me to clean right now. Okay. I'm not really a makeup-y girl anyways, y'all, so yeah, but anyways. Woo! Y'all, I cannot make this shit up. 10:38 in the morning, in the evening. There's no power. There's no power in the whole freaking neighborhood. Like, there's a huge ass power outage. Like, I'm wondering if like it's gonna be fixed in time for planes to be taken off. There's no freaking power. I would show you guys outside, but y'all still will know where I live. But there's no power. Oh my god, and somebody's stuck in the elevator. Oh my god, I'm gonna look outside. Wow. There's no power. Y'all, I can't charge nothing. I can't do nothing. I can't do anything. That's freaking crazy. How am I getting downstairs with my suitcase?